Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to verify if your system files and drives are digitally signed. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by just opening up the start menu, left click on the start button one time, type in SIGVERIF. Best match should come back with SIGVERIF, run command. You want to go ahead and right click on it and then left click on run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to left click on yes. And it will give you a little description here saying to help maintain the integrity of your system, critical files have been digitally signed so that any changes to these files can be quickly detected. Click advance to customize verification options, which we're not going to do in this tutorial. And then it says click start to check for any system files that are not digitally signed, which is what we're looking to do in this tutorial. So go ahead and left click on the start button. So we'll take a couple moments to run, so just please be patient. Please note if you selected the advanced option before running the scan, you'd actually be able to create a log of what drives are currently unsigned, and you could save that to a convenient location on your computer. However, just for this tutorial, we're just going to show you guys a list of any unsigned drives that are currently on our computer. And once it's done, it should get back to you. It says your files have been scanned and verified it's digitally signed. Click on OK. So if there were any unsigned files or drives, it would populate inside of the screen here. So pretty straightforward. And like I was saying while this was running, if you click on the Advanced tab, you have the ability to save the file signature verification results to a log file, and you can view the log file as well. So it should open up a text file here, and then you should go ahead and left click on the File tab, and you can save it to a convenient location on your computer. Gives you a rundown of everything on here, so how many unsigned drives as well as not scanned drives, how many were signed, all the good stuff. So pretty straightforward tutorial today, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.